Morning and welcome back. No, not morning, is it? Definitely, I mean, they could watch this at any time. Hello and welcome back to Father and Son Tractors. We are now going to refinish the engine externally, de-rust it, put the rust converter on, paint it up and get it all neat and get years worth of grime off of it. We have all the parts to wire it and get the engine running now. The wiring harness, the solenoid switch, all the little bits and bobs. But we don't want to put all of that on until we've painted the engine, because we know the engine isn't seized. So hopefully this is a good way round of doing things, right?
Yeah.
We'd like to thank our sponsor for this video, AP UK. Excellent selection of bits and bobs they've got for vintage tractors. 30-day money back or exchange, 12-month warranty on all the products, and free fast delivery. So thank you very much.
Thank you. Right,
should we get the grinder out?
Yeah.
We'll get the grinder out and try and get the bulk of the rust off first. Yeah?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Hi-ho. It's a little skip there, son. Yeah.
We're putting silicone on the bottom of the oil, just the bottom of the oil pan.
Yeah, just the seal.
Just the seal, so hopefully no more oil leaks out of it.
That's right, so the pan was actually a bit dented. So what we did is we hit it with a hammer from the inside out to straighten it. It was dented where this all seals onto the underside. So we're actually just going to put a thin layer of clear silicone, old trick I've been taught, just around the inside of the filler of the oil pan lid, I guess you'd call it. And then same again around the rubber seal. And then we'll put it back on and do it up nice and tight, and then in a couple of days when that's dry, we'll fill her up with just a litre or so of oil and see if anything leaks out the bottom. Hopefully not. Get that done up really, really tight. it closing the gap as we go. Hopefully squeezing down on that silicone, form a nice seal.
Now we have put a nice now we have put a nice thorough coat of rust converter all on the front of the tractor. We can now put some plant enamel paint all over it.
So that is first coat done. It's looking very vibrant, but brilliant at the same time. We would like to thank our paint sponsor,
Johnston's Paints of Bath,
for providing the plant enamel, the direct to metal plant enamel that we've put on here. It covers fantastically. You wouldn't believe just how little paint this actually is. And obviously we'll do 2 or 3 coats. So thank you very much. Looking good, eh, son?
Yes.
Nearly stabbed me. Let me start that again. Sorry. So our sponsor for this video was Old 20 Parts Co. They've got a fantastic selection of kit for vintage tractors, and they've sent us up some engine oil and some goodies as well. So we're going to have a look. Now, why is engine oil important, son?
Lubricate the engine.
It lubricates the engine. If you don't have a correctly lubricated engine with the correct type of oil, the engine will dry out and seize, and that is not good. And so that'll be the engine oil. So what is it?
Oil.
Classic 30 for a Ferguson TE20. Box.
A bag.
The bag. Hey.
Yeah, we can use that
Oh,
for the shopping.
nice bag as well.
It's got...
Look at that. Look at that. We got some stuff.
So, old
Really
20.
nice bag. Got a Ferguson on the front. An Old 20 Parts Co sticker.
Another
Cool.
one.
Another sticker. We'll put them on the tool wall,
a
shall we?
giant one.
And a giant one. We'll fit all that on the tool wall. So thank you very much, Old 20 Parts Co. Let's put some oil in the engine, shall we?
Yeah?
Yeah.
So now.
Tip it upside down and see if any money falls out. Yeah, you've got to be sure. You've got to be sure.
Booklet.
And a booklet
That tells you about
all the bits we need, which is 90% of the book.
Now we've finished painting the engine, we're going to pour all the engine oil in to lubricate the engine.
So it needs 6 litres.
How much is this?
That is
5.
That's a 5 litre, so we'll just put the 5 litres in now.
All of it?
Put in half of it, just to make sure that it's not going to drip out from the underside. Hold the silk, yeah, of course. No. Right, I'd say that'll do.
More than half.
It's more than half, and we'll just make sure it's not running out the bottom.
No.
No?
No.
All the way round?
No. Yeah, but it probably hasn't filled up the oil panel there, has it? So you can't check the seam.
Well, it would have filled this whole lower area, wouldn't it?
Yeah, but just not the top ridge.
No, that's true. And I don't think it will fill up the whole top ridge.
Oh.
Even the full 6 litres. I think the gasket there is more for splashback. So we just well put the whole lot in, son, I think.
Okay.
Do you want me to pour it? Yeah? Yeah, hold on. Get every little drop in. There we go. Excellent. It's down there.
So I'm going to put a bit of grease on the oil filler lid so that when we screw it on and unscrew it, it doesn't damage the paint.
That's it. Hold it down so we can all see the grease. The grease. That's it, it does a half turn. There you go. On. And you just wipe your thumbs on your heady. The paint has done a fantastic job. The finish is absolutely incredible. It's really good. So this is a couple of coats and it works its way in to all the sort of nooks and crannies on the engine, and hides a lot of the imperfections. You know, it's even made that plate where the crack was look quite aesthetically pleasing, you know. So yes. You ready?
Yours.
So that is the basics of how to refinish the exterior of a rusty engine. We first established in a previous video that internally the engine was relatively sound. Otherwise there'd be no point in refinishing it because you'd have to, you know, quite aggressively strip everything down and make a mess. So engine is refinished externally. Engine oil is in. New engine oil cap cover cap filler cap is on that was really hard to find. So thank you Old 20 Parts Co for tracking one of those down for us. Yes, if you like this video,
like and subscribe there.
Right there.
There.
Thank you very much.